On Monday, I got to speak with the Treasurer's Office to get some more information about what today was all about. When I first heard that this scholarship fund was titled the Frontline Heroes Fund, I couldn't help but be happy. Because since December 14th, 2020, smiles have taken a brand new meaning. Anytime I think about my dad, Lieutenant Russell K. Freeman, I think about his infectious smile. And the word heroes in the fund's name brings me great pride, because it's a sign that despite my father's time on earth concluding that his legacy as a correctional officer, a community pillar, and now also a hero. My parents have stressed to my sisters and I the importance of an education. They both believed that the greatest investment a human being can make is to better their education. As a family, we're really proud to be a University of Rhode Island family. That's where we've invested our education. But through this scholarship, other children, like myself or my younger sister Quinn, they can invest in a future, whether that be in academics, job training, trade school, or any form of assistance that'll help them learn something that they didn't know prior to it. This fund will help children accomplish their goals, aspirations, or dreams by taking some of the financial burden away. Each day I remember how proud my father was of my sisters and I on our commitment to our education. I know today that he is proud of our state too, that we are investing in our children and placing an emphasis on their education going forward. Since my dad has passed away, I find myself once a day at least checking the transparency report released by the Department of Corrections. And each day it's a bittersweet feeling seeing the number 1 under staff deaths. It's tough, but it's a positive feeling knowing that no other child other than my sisters and I have had to endure the loss of losing a parent and going to work every day to protect their community at the Department of Corrections. But I know that there are other frontline workers too, that their children are facing the same difficult journey. But I do ask, though, that each day, if you too are checking transparency reports or seeing numbers, that you personify the number. Because when you personify the number 1 on the staff deaths at the Department of Corrections, you'll realize that that number 1 was a patriarch of our family. That number 1 was a correctional officer that carried himself with the utmost integrity. That number 1 was a caring son to 2 aging parents, a loving brother to 2 brothers, a committed, devoted, and genuine husband. He was the brightest smile in the room, and to Ingrid Stone and Quinn Freeman, he was the very best dad to walk the face of the earth. That number 1 was Lieutenant Russell K. Freeman of the Rhode Island Department of Corrections. Our dad died a hero, and thanks to this scholarship, his middle son can finish his master's degree, and his youngest daughter can finish her bachelor's degree, and he can look down beaming with pride. Thank you.